there, folks. It's barbecue time. We're here in Weslaco. We're still trying to do the trifecta. We have some bees in the barbecue pit that we'll be taking out. Beehive is right there. That's our beehive. So I'll get up in here, smoke them out a little bit. I got me a tripod for my Facebook Live. Let me turn this around. Let's see if the meat is done. It's a small swarm that moved in. You can see camera to the back, which there's still some bees in there. You know, not too bad. It probably swarm that just moved in. Little swarm, just enough to cause some stings. But this is what we're going through right now. We got newly moved swarms that are moving into people's homes or structures or crevices, anywhere they can establish a hive at and grow out the hive for the year. This hive will grow and it will get itself established throughout the season. So my main objective is to find that queen bee here. Which we'll look for her. A little barbecue action. And cute little hive. As you can tell by the white comb back there, it's a fairly new hive. So what I'm trying to do is see if I can get the queen to crawl out this way and show y'all what I got going in here. Show y'all what I got going back home, folks, on our YouTube channel. There's the queen bee right there. Right there's the queen. The big one that stands out. That's your queen right here. And she just it's hard getting the camera, but I'll get her to come back up. We'll get her to crawl back up again. Always use the smoke for your advantage, or to your advantage. See if we can find her again right now, which we always try to do. I'm just scared to close this lid and smushing her. Let's move some of this comb out of the way here. There's a little bit of honey in there. Take a bite. Some good tasting honey with some pollen. And that pollen tastes sour. It's some pollen from, tastes like palm tree pollen. Of course, that pollen is what causes people to have allergies this time of year. Nice little brood pattern. There's the queen bee again, folks. Right there to get in my GoPro. This time she will not leave my sight. There's your queen bee right here. Queen bee, folks. Don't you just like it when the stars align? The stars align and you're able to do this quick like this. See how big her abdomen is? That's your queen bee right there. We are recording this job for YouTube purposes. Say a prayer to the camera. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you, St. Martha, our patron saint. Siddiq, your guardian angel. Mwah. Queen kiss. Remember, folks, subscribe up on top. Give us a like down below. Leave us a comment. We'll get back to you when we're not in the field doing jobs like these. Be smart, be safe, be strong. Till next time. Keep saving them bees. Mwah. Mwah. Queen kiss for those of you at home that are watching us live on Facebook. I'll keep the camera rolling if y'all got some questions. Mwah. Queen kiss. Watch us on YouTube. Be strong, honey, and bee removal.